You're about to see clips from Burma, Indonesia.
During the disaster. Oh no, a 9.1 magnitude earthquake. Whoa. Ah! Shoot, a wave. A wave! Ah, a tsunami! Oh no! Watch out! Rip. Oh. Whoa. You good, bro? Oh, that was crazy. So, that was the third most powerful earthquake since the 1900s.
Yeah, I really felt it.
Dude, that made my legs shake like jello.
Ow. From New York, we just had news from 226,000 people dead. We have Brandon live in India.
People dead. Look at the bodies. It is unbelievable. And it is said that this tsunami, it traveled 3,000 miles from the ocean and still delivered enough force to do this damage. And in India, people said that animals got the high ground before the tsunami hit. Animals had that sense that it was coming, and they were smart about it.
Wow, Brandon, that sounds really good.
Back to you, Pace.
In the hour of the massive earthquake, from the epicenter, the tsunami traveled 3,000 miles to hit 11 different countries' coastlines. They're formed by displacement of water. In this case, the displacement occurred where the plates made more space from grinding.
Tsunami wave field in the Bay of Bengal 1 hour after the earthquake had occurred along a tectonic subduction zone in which the Indian plate, an oceanic plate, is being subducted beneath the Burma microplate, part of the larger pseudoplate.
The resulting tsunami affected 12 different nations around the Indian Ocean and hitting Indonesia the hardest. The repair cost of all this damage was $20 billion US.
A great deal of humanitarian aid was needed to cover the widespread damage across all of the countries. There was a large food and water shortage also.
Thank you, Pace.
The recovery took a long 10 years to completely clean it up, but there was much resiliency and a lot of people helped them, including Russia, the US, Australia, Germany, China, and that is very kind of them.
What beautiful people. This earthquake exploded with the energy of 23,000 Hiroshima-type atomic bombs.
Many film directors made movies, and many other people made music and